We're gonna run these wheels back to Uncle Ruckus before it gets dark. Okay, so we threw the wheels back in the shed. I forgot he's got this leaf spring here that we're gonna use to repair the driver's side of this truck. So let's just follow this in the back of the truck. Awesome. No more hernias or compressed discs. Okay, so the other day while I was at work, I had to put an alternator in the truck. Whatever, at least I had a spare one on hand.
Yeah, that's an issue.
I'm gonna try putting another pulley on it. Maybe then the belt will grab it. Yeah, that's shot. Can you see it? There we go. Come on, you. Oh, it grabs the pulley now. Good thing I had another alternator in the back of the truck. Charges now. In fact, I brought my shop charger with me. Says a lot about what kind of day I expected to have.
But it turns out we have more than one issue here. The gauge is no fucking good to begin with.
I will make this bitch charge. I checked, it has power to the field. Alright, I guess now we try putting an entirely different alternator in it. So my spare alternator's clocked 180 degrees off. Easier said than done. I've been trying to get this case apart for 10 minutes now. Paper clip or whatever you could find right in there. That holds your brushes in place, which one of them has popped out. So we'll just go ahead and fix that. Come on, you. There, see? And now we gotta swap the pulley that we just took off this an hour ago. All back together. I think we're gonna steal a fan off the other one though. This looks fucking bent to me. And with the dirty old fan, I like it. That's done. Alright, I got my voltmeter hooked up because I don't trust the gauge in the dashboard. And we're going to start it and cry if it doesn't charge.
Yes, we have headlights on and 14 volts. Holy shit, that's awesome.
I took the air conditioner out of the cab. I painted the roof on the sleeper. Not anything exciting, but it needed to be done. Cue the poorly shot time-lapse sequence. I did some tweaks to the carburetor. Needs more main jet. less power valve. So real quick, what we had going on, 67 main jets, 8.5 power valve, stock power valve channel restrictors out of this 450 CFM metering block. What we've got going on now, 68 main jets, 7.5 power valve, and I stole the idle feed restrictors out of this 450 CFM metering block and put them in here as power valve channel restrictors. And I'm going to stick the stock power valve channel restrictors out of the 600 CFM metering block in the holes of the idle feed restrictors for the 450 CFM metering block, just so they don't get lost. Okay, we've got a new set of spark plugs and a new clear cap and rotor on the way. So we didn't put our new spark plugs in. We took the old spark plugs, wire brushed them, washed them with gas, put them back in. They'll be good for a couple more miles. Got our clear cap and rotor installed. That is cool. We took this for a test hit the other night. 2 test hits actually. First test hit, we got a trap speed of around 85 miles an hour, which means it's running like it should. Second test hit, got about 1,000 feet out and all the fuel slashed to the back of the tank. And it leaned out and died, so we had to abort the run. But yeah, I'm happy with how it's running anyways. So we got this Honda Civic radiator, which we are going to make into the new heater for the cab, because the stock heater core just doesn't quite have enough oomph for the cab and the sleeper. Now, as some of my more fucking astute viewers have probably already realized, these do not fit 3/4 inch heater hose. And 1 1/4 inch to 3/4 or 5/8 heater hose adapters don't exist, so we got to make some. Luckily, I found these 2 crusty ass pieces of steel, which are already the right 1 1/4 inch outside diameter we need, with a 5/8 hole drilled through them. That saves me a shitload of time. So all we have to do is machine down 1/2 of this to 3/4 inch OD. And we have a heater hose to Honda radiator adapter. I really like the totally wrong belt put on there. Completely fucking crooked. That was not me. I don't remember that. I'm just gonna pretend I didn't see that. When the 13/16 fits, we're done. Lathe has power feed. Tool bit's too low. Okay, that solves that issue. Hey, we got a new passenger seat. You got a razor blade up in this joint? Yes, we do. Got another low back bucket.
You guys can play with this. Yeah, that's cool, isn't it? Yeah. Here you go, more. Look at that.
So right now I'm taking out the seat belts in the driver's seat. I'm going to paint this platform before I put the new passenger seat in. This weird lighting makes it really obvious how the softer part of the wood has gotten worn away over time. Let's paint. You know, I like you guys. I really don't like people. People are evil creatures.
Full-size kangaroos, they kick you in the chest, they stop your heart. You know, they got that much power. But these guys, you know, they're only about this tall. You know, they're like a little bit taller than the goats. They're around the cow's height. You know, so they can't even reach your chest. But what do you call it? And they don't bite. They don't do anything. They just run from you. You know. But that Bonnie's gonna shit her pants when she sees